Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in my series of tiny stud earrings, today I have brought to you these cute little stud earrings made with bicones and pearls. And you can see the shape of the earrings. It resembles of those cute little flowers, and thus I have named these earrings as tiny flower earrings. Here I have made these earrings in few more colorways. This one is in ruby red color, one more in this classic black color, this gorgeous pink color, and this one more classic color, this white color. And in today's video we are going to make these gorgeous tiny flower earrings in emerald green color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our tiny flower earrings in emerald green color. Friends, for making our tiny flower earring in this gorgeous emerald green color, we are going to use these 15 silver. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized silver 15 Here I'm using 4 mm bicones in emerald green color and 4 mm shell pearls in pastel green color. I'll be using these ear post finding in size 6 by 12 mm. Here I'll be working with Miyuki thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, for making our tiny flower earring, we are going to use about 2 feet long single thread. And now I will start making my tiny flower earring by picking up 6 4 mm bicones and bringing these down towards the end of my thread and tying a double knot like this. And now I'm passing through all these bicones to secure my knot. Like this, and into the first 4 mm bicone like this. And now picking up 115 silver into the next 4 mm bicone. Again picking up 115 silver into the next 4 mm bicone. 115 silver into the next 4 mm bicone. And this way I'm going to add 15 silver all through this round. And now adding my last 15 silver into the 4 mm bicone like this. And now I'm picking up one 4 mm pearl as I'm exiting through this 4 mm bicone. I'm going to pass through the opposite one like this. Back into the 4 mm pearl and into the 4 mm bicone like this. And now as I'm exiting through this 4 mm bicone, I'm picking up two 15 silver into the 4 mm bicone and into the next 15 silver. Just push it up on the top came into the next 4 bicon, picking up 215 of silver, back into this 4 bicon, and then next 15 of silver, like this, into the next 4 bicon, again picking up 215 of silver, back into the 4 bicon, and then next 15 of silver. So this way we are going to add the pair of 15 of silver around all these 4 bicon all through this round. And here I'm adding the last pair of 15 of silver around the 6th 4 bicon, like this, stepping up into the pair of 15 of silver and passing through all these 15s over here, all the 6 pairs of 15s, like this, making a circle around the 4 pearl. Once again, passing through all these 15s to get a nice circle around our 4 pearl. Like this. So you can see the look. And now as I'm exiting through this pair that I added around this bicon, I'm moving down into the 4 bicon and into the next 15 of silver. And now before moving further, I'm going to cut this tail off very carefully. And here I'm going to add my ear post. So as I'm exiting through this 15 of silver, I'm picking up 7 15 of silver, 3 and 4 7 15s into the next 15 of silver, stepping up into the last two 15s as we are going to make a net for our ear post. Now as I have passed through the two 15s from here, I'm going to add only 5 more. So I'm picking up 5 15s, 2 and 3 5 into the next 15 of silver, up through the last two 15s of this set, like this. Now again picking up 5 15 of silver, so again I have picked up 5 15s into the next 15 of silver, moving up into the last two 15s from the set. This way I'm going to add the set of 15 rows round all these bicones till I reach the last one over here. So here I have added these 15 rows round all these bicones, and now I'm going to add these round the sixth bicone. So here for the sixth bicone, I have already stepped up into the last two 15 rows of this last set, the fifth set, and here we are going to use the first two 15 rows of the first set. So we already have 4 15 rows, 2 from here and 2 from here. We are going to add 3 more. So for the last one, I am picking up only 3 15 rows and I'm moving down through 2 15 rows from the first set like this into the 15 rows silver up through the 2 15 rows. So here we have created the net and I'm stepping up. I have stepped up into the first two 15 rows and into the next two, exiting through the middle one, that is the fourth one, like this. And now I'm going to place my ear post into this net, and here you can see I'm exiting through the center one, and again I'm picking up 115 row silver here, and I'm going to pass through this middle 15 row of the next set, picking up 115 row silver into the middle 15 row of the next set. This middle 15 row, if you count from here from the bottom, 1 2 3 4, this is the fourth 15 row, and if we count from these 3 15 rows here, this is the second 15 row. So this is the middle 15 row over here. Again picking up 115 row silver into the middle 15 row of the next set, picking up 115 row silver into the middle 15 row, again picking up 115 row silver into the middle 15 row of the next set, picking up my last 15 row silver and into the middle 15 row of the first set. So here we have closed the net here and fixed our ear post, and now I'm stepping up into the first 15 row that I added in the last round, and I'm passing through all the 15 rows, 6 15 rows that we have added in the last round to close the case. The sixth, so this is the 6 15 row to the first one. So here I have passed through all the 6 15 rows and I have closed the bezel case, the net. I'm taking one more pass through all these 6 15 rows. and into the first one. So here you can see my ear post is fixed, and into this next 15 over here, down through this 15, and here I'm tying a knot in between these two 15s. One more knot, down through these two 15s, into the 15 silver, up through these two 15s, back into a couple of 15s, and here cutting the thread off. So friends, here we have completed our tiny flower earrings in this gorgeous emerald green color. Let us take a quick look over the other colorways. This classic black color, one more classic color, that is the white color, this royal ruby color, and a pretty pink color. So these are some of the colorways that I have made in this gorgeous tiny flower earrings. You can see the shape, they look like tiny flowers blooming in the garden, and I just enjoyed making these earrings, creating these earrings for you, and I'm sure you will also enjoy making these earrings, wearing these and gifting these to your loved ones. You can team these up with any kind of attire, whether it's western, traditional, or any attire. So friends, I'm sure you will love this design, and I will request you all to please share the pics of your completed projects that you are making with the help of my designs and my tutorials on my Instagram handle at the rates beadmates446, and please do join my Facebook group at beadmates beading group, and you can share the pics of your completed projects there also. So I'm sure you will enjoy making these and sharing the pics with me. So friends, if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.